Today I'm at Red Stag Auctions. The owner, Eric, has given me permission to have a run of his whole facility where he keeps all of these machines and all of these containers and all these attachments and garages and sheds and so much stuff. One of the coolest things he's got here are these robot lawnmowers. These are tracked lawnmowers with a dozer blade on the front. And this is the thing that I think is the coolest thing here, and I want to show you how awesome it is. There are 4 of these here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's right. He told me that I can take the top one down, put gas in it, set it up, and test it out and see how it works. So today we're going to do a deep dive, me and you, and we're going to find out how cool these mowers are. First off, this is a radio controlled mower, and this is the remote control for it. It's kind of crazy looking. It's got all kinds of switches and buttons, but this controls the lawnmower, if you can see. So this is the one that he let me take down, put gas in it, and play with it. And it is awesome. So I'm going to do a deep dive into this machine and show you how it works. Now, first off, it has a Ratto gasoline engine on top. So how am I using it without that? So it is a fully electric battery powered dozer, mini dozer, with this dozer blade on the front. If you want to run the blades to mow, it's gas powered, but the movement of it is all powered by battery. Only the spinning blades are powered by gasoline. So let me give you a quick tour. What I'm doing now is this switch here. This moves your dozer blade. This is up, this is down. It is controlled by an electric actuator. You can see right here on the front, when I move this, it pushes the blade down or brings that blade back up. It's the same thing with a mower deck, but what's weird about this mower deck is that it moves the engine and everything. So I'm lifting the deck now, and with this button, I'm lowering the deck down. And that's controlled by these 2 linear actuators. When you press this button, it runs those actuators and it moves the whole thing. So some other fun stuff about this. Beside this Ratto engine, do you see that? There's an alternator. Now, I don't know if you can see it on this video, but there is a rubber belt that when this engine runs, it powers the alternator and it charges the batteries. It's pretty cool, actually. These tracks, they're pretty basic. You've got a tensioner and a tensioner. You've got your drive pulley on the very top, and then you've got 3 along the bottom, 2 adjustable. Now remember, this machine weighs 350 pounds. So when it wants to go somewhere, it goes. Clean up in time, clean the interior, pay attention to the maintenance of equipment, it says. Join us to be a dealer, SDLANCH. 160 kilograms, which comes out to be 350 pounds. So let me show you some of the stuff here. So if you undo this screw, what it does is it allows you to open the rear. And now you're into your electronics. You've got two really small batteries here, and it's got an electric fan over on this side. You've got your little controllers, your little breakers, and your emergency stop switch, plus your voltage gauge and your on-off switch. It's kind of basic, but kind of high-tech all at the same time. See, the remote control is not turned on now. If I hold this button, now it's on. I flip this switch on and we're ready to rock. No need to connect or any of that. So you got a forward and a backwards. You've got your right and your left. It's pretty basic stuff. Now over here, we've got the mower deck height. This one is your dozer blade. Now this one here is cruise control. So let me show you. So if we're moving along, I hit cruise control, I'm no longer driving it. It's driving itself. Now, one thing to note about this is there's no nannies. There's no sensors. There's nothing that's gonna stop it, this 350-pound track monster, from running into you. And it probably wouldn't do good things if it ran into you. So you want to make sure you turn off the cruise control, unless you're actually watching it. So some of the other stuff. This switch here, this is your headlights. See? Flash, 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 flash. And then, let's just use it. And let me show you how this thing works. First off, I'm gonna start with the dozer blade. So I wanna put the blade down and I'm gonna try leveling this gravel. And so I just start pushing. Check that out. Check it out. It's dozing. I'm leveling the driveway, out here doing some work for free. That's not bad, huh? So you actually use this for some real work. I'm gonna put the blade back down. Let's hit it again the other direction. That's wild. Seriously, that's pretty wild. Let's put the blade back down and then push forward, hit cruise. I'm done. Let me set this remote down. I'm mini dozing a gravel driveway remotely, robot style, not doing anything. That's actually pushing some real gravel. Okay, I'm impressed. And then we'll just lift that blade up slowly and taper it off. Turn off the cruise. Let's bring it straight back. Nah, let's bring it on cruise control. How do you think it'll do on the hill? It doesn't care. It doesn't care about a hill. I think this looks like as good a place as any to test out the lawnmower portion of this. So look at some of this stuff. And it's rough and tore up and trucks have sank in the mud. This dude does not care. Okay, so I'm gonna put my blades down. I'm gonna fire it up. Ha ha! I think we ran out of gas. I'm gonna say yes, we're out of gas. Let me go get some gas and fire this thing up. I made a mess with the gas. Now we've got fuel. Ah. I've really got nothing bad to say about this. This thing's wicked. Did you see how long that grass is? That grass is long all around, but not here anymore because we got this monster. Now, I probably could have done a cleaner cut. Actually, if I lower the deck down, I'm gonna scalp it. Okay, that was too much. Let me bring it back up a little. It looks pretty clean. I think it does a pretty darn good job. It's crazy. It's just crazy. I'm going to show you how to transport a 350-pound lawnmower. That's it. Drive it up on the trailer. Let me get some specs for you here. So, total width, 37 inches wide from track to track. Dozer blade, 39 and a half inches wide, so just a little bit wider. Overall length, let's put that blade down. So from the tip of the blade, pulling back, you're looking at 4 feet. Track length, 32 inches. 32 inches long. Track height, 15 inches. Overall height, you're looking at about 18. So it's really pretty big mower, honestly, for a little remote controlled mower. Oh, you know a good measurement? How high does it cut? So I've got the deck all the way up, and I don't know exactly where the blades are. I can't see them. Well, the bottom of the deck, it's 8.5 inches. If I drop it down, the bottom of the deck's 3.5. So it moves 5 inches with the remote. That's pretty good. So let's go park this thing. So I guess I'm done playing. Now this thing comes with a battery charger to plug in the actual mower unit. It comes with extra blades. It comes with some little wire ties, instruction manual, and an air filter. So that's all cool. And all these auction machines, they come with a spec sheet. So this has the whole big bad spec sheet. Oh, look, it's a snow shovel. It's not a dozer blade. My bad. Well, it works for dozing as well. Oops. So, 24 volt, 1 year warranty, SDLANCH.com. That's all I got. So I'm probably going to be bidding on these in the auction because I want a radio controlled mower. Now that I've tested it, I've learned that this thing's amazing and I really want one for myself. So don't bid against me. Let me get a mower and I'll do more cool videos. So thanks for sticking around. Thanks for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It means a lot to me and the channel. I'd really like to see this channel keep growing, and I'm going to keep going out and spending my weekends doing these reviews for you guys, because I have a lot of fun doing it, and I know it helps some of you guys make decisions and if you're going to buy some equipment or not. So stick around, a whole bunch more reviews coming and a whole bunch more product testing and more tours of various places. So thanks again. Have a great day. So it is fully battery electric lawnmower, an electric actuator.